Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Michelle, and if you are new here, thanks for tuning in. Please go ahead, hit the subscribe button and be a part of the family. And if you are old, welcome back, baby. I love you. Thanks for coming back to watch another video with your girl, another glam, another beat, another whatever you want to call it. Thanks for coming back. Alright guys, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, just stay tuned. Let's get into detail. Let me show you what you'll get did. Okay? And also every single product that I use in this video is gonna be in the description. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going in with the BHCOSMETICS Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm using this one and I love the color. I've already gave you a peep of this color, and I'm gonna be using this one. Take that and place it right here. So once I have it like this, I'm gonna just start blending the edge of it. But I do want to take a clean brush and blend that edge. So I'm gonna go in with the number 3 from the 7-piece. And all these brushes I try in this same eyeshadow palette. So all the colors that I try on is the colors that I'm using. So to blend that top part, I'm just gonna be which one is it? We could do it's not even soft. We can do this yellow right here. And this I'm not gonna put too much, just a little bit of it, just to blend that top of my shadow. And whatnot. But for now, I think we blend good. So once that is done, I'm gonna take this brush right here. I don't need this palette. I'm gonna take this number 5 from the 7-piece palette that I got, and I'm using my PILLl Pro eyeshadow pen, and it's like this. And this is the Plus Love Press eyeshadow palette. My nails is redder than this, but this is what we're gonna be using. So I'm just gonna use this brush. I don't know about the pigment of this, guys, because okay. I'm not gonna place this on my eyelid. And with that brush that I was using with that yellow that yellow shadow, and I'm taking a little bit of that yellow shadow. It really don't look that yellow unless I do it like this, and I'm just gonna blend the part right here. And this I blend it into my brows very softly, guys. Very. So every product that I use in this video is gonna be listed in the description box below, so you could check it out, okay? And I promise I'm not gonna forget this time. So I'm just pushing my cut it up to get in there. And I messed up. So it's more of a top than a drag for this. And here I'm just dragging it like this to fix that part, and now I'm just tapping it to blend it in. There you go. So this Muffy palette that I always use, this small one, which is the 12 piece, it do have that white shadow right there. So we're gonna use that white shadow. We'll block our things, and we're gonna put it right here. Oops. We're gonna put it right here. I'm just gonna tap it on there. Because I don't want it to, you know, do what it did. So I'm just going to tap it on there. So once I feel like I've got enough white and it's settled in, then I'm going to move on. And moving on, I'm using my same palette. And I'm using that white that I showed you first. This one right here. With the same brush, guys. And I'm tapping it on there. So once I'm done with this, we're gonna go back in what I was saying, red shadow, and I'm using this into it, like a blending to fade away. Type of set to white shinish thing ish going on ish here ish. So once it looks like this, guys, I'm just blending it at this point. That's all. I already got what I wanted over there. Alright, guys, I think it's good right here. Where is it? I am gonna be using this glitter primer from NYX, and I am gonna be using their glitter brilliance. Is that what it's called? Brilliance, glitter brilliance. So this is a collection, and I got this one. And alright, guys, I think this is better. My lashes take forever, but I'm super duper loving this. So let me do the other eye, and then I'll show you both of the eyes on camera, and then we're just gonna like fast forward into my little face glam and all that good stuff. So I see you in about the next 5 hours. I'm just kidding. I see you in maybe like, you'll never know how long it'll take. So bye. Hey guys, alright, so now it look a little much better. If you were zooming on my edges, it is not right, so back off. Alright, so I'm using my Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm using this green shade right here, the bright green, and I'm using this pointy little brush. This is two, a lie, three more, and this is three. So once that is done and it's popping and I can see it, I still do want to put something around here a little bit, but I'm not going to temper with that. I'm just going to leave it as it is. But I do want to put a color in my waterline. Should I just leave it like this and not be so extra tonight for no reason? I wanted to put this color and it's going to look popping. So for my lashes, I got... Between these two lashes, I have already used it. I'm just going to reuse them. I need to give me some lashes, which I will next weekend. I think I'm going to use this. Because to me, this got more drama than this. This is more like natural glam. And this is more like, hello, baby. I'm here. So we're going to go with this one. I'm sorry, y'all. I had to do this to see. Because this is a miracle. This lashes. This lashes went on without a fight. Yo, my eyes usually come up red when I'm putting on lashes. That's why I don't put lashes on camera. But, ooh, Jesus is working for me. My enemies are put to shame on this one. It just went on like, girl, we ain't about to bother your life. You got too many drama going on with the eye already. I see it. So I'm gonna let it slide. But thank you, Jesus. Okay, guys, so I'm almost done. I just have to spritz my face. I do need more of this when I go to the mall. And I spray my head too. Well, my eyebrows though. This is super big and hard because it's new. So I'm gonna use some different one. I'm gonna use another one. I did put something in my waterline. I don't know if you can see it. It's is this pencil by Nigga New York, I think. By Ruben Kiss. Excuse me. Ew. This brush is really small, so it gets in the, you know. So I'm gonna put some highlights in. My highlights palette is my all-time go-to highlight, cheap, affordable, whatever you want to call it. So I am gonna be using this one right here, and maybe a little bit of that one, the pink one, right? So I'm done for the most part. I just need some lipstick and we're good. So then I'm gonna pull a liner, and this liner is by, is it Ruby Kisses too? No, it's by LA Girl. So I'm just gonna start with the bottom lip. Alright, y'all. So once I'm done with that, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty lipstick, and this is called Uncensored. I'm gonna put this on my lip, in your booty boo. And oh, it's weird. Got me going crazy, cause I know I do it dirty. This lipstick is everything, yeah. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And make sure you share this video, because it's a good Christmas glam. You know, I got the glitter, the white, the red, the green, the blue. The blue is there. And the little red lippy lip. Me like what I see. So guys, please make sure you share my video, okay? And come back here for another one. Stay tuned. I'm just playing, but I'm serious. Thanks for watching, okay? I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. I know you won't like me, I don't like you too. But hit the subscribe button.